Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. Yeah, on the MATIC chart, the white wave count is and remains clearly in control. Few things to highlight here. First of all, it's a boring chart, like many crypto charts at the moment. Next is that the rally into the July highs was just a corrective. It was just a three-wave move. Yes, a more bullish perspective was possible, which we explored. However, I emphasized the risk and that it is not anything we can trust. And then it broke below the 55-cent level. Yes, we've reclaimed that level, but still, price broke below it. And that confirmed rather the white wave count for me. And in the white wave count, we're moving down in an ABC structure. This is an ABC because the entire move down was an ending diagonal. And in this current wave 5, as I said, ABC, we're now in the C wave, like many other coins as well. And in the C wave, we're dealing with a 5-wave move. So in this 5-wave move, we are tracking currently a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. The wave 4 is probably currently still unfolding as a messy sideways action. It seems to be extending that one a little bit in a kind of a flat structure. A flat structure is an ABC correction in which the B wave can overshoot to the downside. Seems to me it's doing that for a few reasons. So first of all, in a wave 4, you often get a flat correction or a so-called sideways correction. Then price action is still corrective below resistance. And the move down here was a 3-wave move. So we had a wave A to the upside, a B wave down in 3 waves, A, B, C in wave B. Because it's a 3-wave move, it can be a B wave in wave 4. And now it's just moving sideways or slightly up in an ending diagonal in a C wave. I know, it's messy. So this wave 4 could now be completed any time. Again, flat corrections can be very, very tricky, especially because of the fact that they can make a new price extreme to the downside, yeah. And it looks as if the 5th wave could already have bottomed. But the move up of the lows is, again, not very convincing. And it has morphed from a triangle more into, well, okay, maybe a larger triangle, yeah. I don't know, maybe even some kind of, no, it's more a triangle. So just a larger triangle. Triangles everywhere these days. But it could be an ending diagonal that's unfolding here in the C wave. Not entirely clear how the subwave structure looks like at the moment. It could even be that this, honestly, and this is only something for wave nerds, it could even be that this B wave is still unfolding, right? And the C wave will still end a little later. Yeah, that we get something like that, because a B wave can be a triangle. Now, how would that look like? So here, A, B, C, D, E. Triangle could be done, and then a small rally to the upside in a C wave. Absolutely possible. But it's not so helpful to try to determine the lowest degree waves here in this correction. Resistance for me remains at 62 cents. Now we could argue, okay, maybe should we shift that a little bit higher to maybe 63 cents, because if we say the wave 3 ended here, yeah, maybe, but we're not even close. So for now, I leave it where it is. Because you can argue, okay, did the wave 3 end here? Did it end here? I'll leave it where I have it now. And I'm still watching for another low as long as we stay below 62 cents. Again, we might want to stretch that to 63, as you've just seen. I could just add the golden ratio. Let's see where that takes us, 63, 64. I'll leave it in because it's still a relevant fib level. But be aware that above 62, I think probabilities start to shift towards something more bullish. Also, visually, this wave 4 would just get too massive. Now, then we have this descending trend line here, which I think, if broken, would also generate some upside momentum. So at the moment, I'm still focused on lower until we can see a break above 62 cents and the descending trend line. We're very close to a low. I think if we get another low, which I currently am leaning towards, then it should get to 48.5 or 46.7 cents next. Ideally, we want to see a clear bottoming structure. What we've seen here is not a clear bottoming structure because it is just, again, corrective, just sideways consolidation, basically. So yeah, I know it's boring at the moment in the market, but I think things will change soon. They will change when everybody switches off, when everybody gets too bored, everybody gets depressed. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.